welcome into another Woolly review. And today we have the wonderful Sirdar Snuggly, and it's Cashmere Merino, and it's a DK 50-gram donut, 130 meters or 142 yards approximately. And from what I can tell, there are at least 10 colours of this. This one is in the shade 469, otherwise known as, I think it's Prince Charming, I think. A silvery dark grey. Can I get into the donut? There's the question. It is recommending a size 4 hook, which is why Beanie is going to help us out. Oh, and there's me throwing the label on the floor. That's really helpful. We have got 57% wool, 33% acrylic, and 10% cashmere. Cashmere. Okay, so snuggly. Let's see what we get. Can I find the start? Well, I hope so. I don't know where. Oh, well, yeah, that just flung quite a lot at me. I think this is going to be quite nice to work with. The way it is spun is just plain twisted, but it feels already quite sturdy. There isn't exactly any elasticity in it, but let's try. It's quite a thick DK, I must admit. It's definitely on the thicker end, but let's give it a go. Now, the cheapest place I found this was at the Little Wool Shop. All the details are going to be down below in the description. But £5.49 was the cheapest that I found this at the time of recording. And I've been to several different sites and they've got different colours in them and different amounts of colours. So one particular site I went to, which was the Sirdar official, showed that they have 9 colours, but this one wasn't in there. So I'm going, okay, well, we've got at least 10, because this would be the 10th colour. But there we have our first row of 14 single crochets. Now, please remember, we are not here to judge the colour. We are not here to judge my pathetic crochet skills. We are here just to see what this is like with an honest opinion, because that's what you're going to get from me. If it's absolute tat, I will tell you it's absolute tat. If it's, oh my lordy, it's the most sublimest thing in the entire world, then I'll tell you. This doesn't feel too bad to work with at all. I think I can feel the wool. I don't know if that's just my imagination. I don't know. But I think I can feel the wool. So I would say to anybody who's allergic, stay away. Thankfully, I'm not. But there are 2 rows of single crochet. Not bad definition. Now, I've got to say, using this, oh, hello little thing. It does look like it's going to split at any moment. Like this one stitch on my hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ply in there. I'm going to do a half double. for the next row. Apart from the fact that I can feel the wool, and I don't mean scratchy, I mean that feels nice. It doesn't feel overly soft. Like when you have cashmere, you ultimately think, oh my gosh, that's going to be amazingly soft. It's going to be wonderful. It's only, what is it, 10%? 10% cashmere. So it's not a huge amount. And of course the acrylic's in there to give it its robustness. So it's not overly soft, but it's nice. That's not me saying it's rough and ugh, you know. Oh, and there's the real beanie. Eating biscuits, I think. She is. Good girl. Okay, we're going to chain 2 and do another row of half double. They are solid colours. They tend to steer more toward the almost pastel with their colour palette. I know this particular colour isn't a pastel colour. I can see that. I'm very well aware of that. But on the whole, from the colours that I've seen, like baby blue, baby pink, a corn, another light blue, which they've called Pool, I believe, an off-white. There seems to be more like lighter pastel-y colours than others, but there are others. I mean, obviously you can see this one. There is a royal blue. There is a teal, I believe. Let's just go in the end there. Okay. So there we have 2 rows of single, 2 rows of half double. And we will finalise with 2 rows of double. And Beanie's being very noisy with her biscuit bowl right now. So I hope that isn't picked up on camera. But the girl has got to eat, you know, the girl has got to eat. So also down below, we have the official description of this and the care instructions. Of course, there will be a link to the little wool shop as well. And also down there, if you haven't already and you are willing, please hit the subscribe button and the like if you like this kind of thing. I try to give woolly reviews as and when I get my mitts onto something new. And it's always from something in Europe. So you won't find me reviewing things that are specifically America or Canada or Australian based. It will be Europe. Okay. Have I done 2 rows of double or have I only done 1? Honestly, I think that's my second. I'm pretty certain that's my second because we've got the 1, 2 single, 1, 2 half double, 1, 2 double. So Beanie, you may take a rest now. Thank you very much for your help. Doesn't feel bad. It feels like it'd make a nice jumper or a cardigan, if I'm honest. For me, that feels perfectly fine. Quite nice on the skin. Now, we're at the frog's house, so now we need to see the frog. So let's go for a walk, Mr. Frog. I don't know why you're suddenly a Mr. Frog, but you know. So we're fine halfway through. But, you know, the frog likes to get on his moped. Oops. And we're good. So, kinkage-wise, we've got a fair bit of kink. It's more of a wave than kink, but there's definitely kinkage there. That's for sure. So, what do I think of it personally? I like it. I think it's extremely expensive, but I guess that's what happens when you're paying for cashmere, even if it is only 10%. I think it's a shame there aren't more colours, but because it is cashmere and it's so expensive, I'm not at all surprised they don't have like 100 different colours for it. I'm not surprised at all. Let's get that in. Oh my gosh. There we go. But it's nice to work with. It would definitely make a nice snuggly top. So I wouldn't be angry that it's the only one of that type in the shop. Would I be like, well, it's in my top 10, so okay. Well, yeah, I guess I would. Would I go as far as putting it into my top 10? Was it 130? 130 meters for £6. Would it be in my top 3 for an acrylic cashmere wool blend? I'd possibly say yes. I will push that boundary and give it the 4 ladybirds out of 5. I will say Sirdar Snuggly Cashmere Merino. 4 out of 5 ladybirds. Have you given it a go? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you would or wouldn't, let me know down below. If you could get your mitts on it, would you? Have you used it? Have you not used it? Let me know. And of course, while you're there, please subscribe if you like this kind of content. Oops. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.